It's a major reprieve for Deputy President William Ruto and former broadcaster Joshua Sang as the appeals chamber of the International Criminal Court made a ruling rejecting the use of recanted evidence in their case.
In applying the amended rule, the trial chamber committed legal errors. The appeals chamber finds that the application of this rule affected negatively the overall position of Mr. Sang and Mr. Ruto.
The legal error made by the trial chamber, according to the appeals chamber, is that the application of Rule 68 on recanted evidence was retroactive, as the trial had started on the 10th of September 2013 before the amendment of the rule. It thus means that by using recanted evidence, according to the appeals chamber, it would negatively affect Ruto and Sang's position, as they will not have the right for cross-examining the witnesses, and that they did not expect that this was evidence that was going to be used against them after it was recanted.
The appeals chamber finds that detriment within the meaning of Article 51, paragraph 4 of the statute is disadvantage, loss, damage or harm to the accused, including, but not limited to, the rights of that person.
The appeals chamber also noted that the trial chamber erred by saying the rule of retroactivity only applies on substantive issues and not procedural issues. The chamber ruled that retroactivity applies on both substantive and procedural issues of the Rome Statute, with Rule 68 being among the rules of procedure.
In the proceedings in hand. Accordingly, the appeals chamber holds that the trial chamber applied amended Rule 68 of the rules retroactively to the detriment of the accused.
It therefore means the prosecution's case has been dealt a major blow, at least according to the submissions from the prosecution, while seeking to have the application of Rule 68 in 2015.
We have evidence from certain witnesses, who I won't mention in public session, relating to attempts to bribe them and their knowledge of attempts to bribe other witnesses.
The African Union had threatened to withdraw from the Rome Statute if the appeals court ruled otherwise. It remains to be seen how the prosecution responds to the latest ruling, as Ruto and Sang await another verdict on a no case to answer motion they filed. Hussein Mohammed, Citizen Weekend.